Ladies and gents, welcome back to Simple Builds. We've got Widebody Fiesta ST Part 2 coming at you right now. But before we jump into it, we got to go take care of a couple things. Alright guys, I'm back with all the stuff. We're going to get started on this wide body kit, so let's jump right into it. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to start taping these fenders off, so let's get to it. Lining these things up, drawing a line here, down, that. I guess I'll see how far up I can cut. We got the fenders taped up, we got them marked off. So here's where we're at, taped off, and we got it outlined on both sides. So all four sides are taped off and marked up. So now I gotta figure out what the heck to do next. Figure this out as I go. Honestly, I've watched a couple of videos on it, but really pretty vague, most videos that are on this. So hopefully I can figure this out without screwing it up too much. So let's keep working on it. That's really wide. Holy crap.
Let's see. Now we're gonna mark these up. It's a bad line, but around, follow the body line.
This piece really gives it that like extra thickness that it needs. Ridiculous. Holy crap. For this side we got to finish up with the side skirt, which I'm going to see how that fits up right now, and then we got another little back piece on the panel on the back bumper that I'll show you. So let's throw those on. Lining it up, and I need to cut these. I don't know why it looks like there was already a line where they know like it's supposed to be cut, but okay. Welcome to my workshop. Right now what I'm thinking is probably get a razor and just cut along the edge of that tape. Alright, here we go. I wonder if this has ever been done before. Someone modifying a wide body kit with scissors. What am I thinking this whole time? This is it. This thing is perfect for this. This is what we need right here. Look at that. What was I thinking? This tool is perfect. We got that much cut off, and it's wow, that is like not bad. We got some 150 grip. Sand this down a little bit. Get it flush with the rest of it. Look at that. That looks factory. Oh man. Now I just hope I got my measurement right. Oh god, what did I do? Just hope I got my measurement right. I cut way too much off. Why didn't I not measure? Why? Not the end of the world. Whatever. I can patch that up and make it look better, but for now, I'm gonna have to deal with that. Dang it. Something that's bothered me on this car since I got it was these. I could never get them to stick on properly. But now, they're gonna get covered. I'm just gonna throw a self-tapper right here, set it, and forget it. It's gonna be completely covered. I'm going in right here. Let's do that to the other one, because the other one's got the same darn problem. Glue them and glue them and they fall off. Can't fall off now, can you? Stupid side skirt. Alright, so we're gonna throw the rest of these bolts in. I got a couple more spots I'm gonna fill in. I was gonna leave them, but figured out that I'm gonna throw the rest of these in. Boom. That is pretty much it. Holy crap. So obviously we still got to cut the fenders and do a bunch of extra prep work. Spacers, the hardware come in. As soon as we can get it painted, we're gonna get it painted. Should be looking pretty mint. I'll show you guys this last piece that needs to go on the left side. Is this little panel here. Let me go grab that. Adds a little extra flare right here. I think it looks super sick. Looks good, just like that. That looks really nice. Okay, that is insane. So that's the last piece to the left side, or the driver's side. So look at this guy. I was about to put on the other side of the wide body, but little cousin bought a new car, so we're gonna check this thing out. Holy crap! Look at this thing. My gosh, look at these wheels. Holy.
You gotta zoom in on the only dirty wheel. No.
Seats are like super buckety, dude. I think they're more buckety than the Recaros and the ST. Everything, huh? Alright, let's see what this thing can do, huh? Oh my god, that's so loud. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, holy crap. This thing rips. And we're gonna get this thing painted as soon as possible. So stay tuned for the next one. This fitment's about to be much nicer, so bear with me. I know it looks real bad right now. Like, leave a comment down below what you thought. Subscribe to stay up to date, and just stay tuned to see how this thing turns out. It's starting to look real nice. starting to turn into what I pictured. So thanks for tuning in for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.